Soundcloud is one of the most popular platforms for people to discover and listen to new music and songs. More than that, it's where aspiring artists can upload their own music without worrying about not having record labels. But what if you could be paid and make money online simply by listening to music? How great is that? It doesn't matter if you're anywhere in the globe, you can still earn money online every day by just listening to music on SoundCloud. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our little channel and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on the latest money-making strategies. And maybe you can also please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns or questions, or maybe this video really helped you out, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. With that said, you can receive payments like this as you can see just by listening to music. Here's how much money you can earn from this. Just listening to one song earns you $3.50. And the greatest part is that you may do this as many times as you like. And yes, this approach is completely free, so no money investment or credit card details before you can get started. All you need is mobile phone or computer to listen to music. First and foremost, go to SoundCloud, where you can see of languages and you can download SoundCloud on your phone to listen to it. It doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or Android phone, you can still get the app for free as you can see. If you have an Android phone and search for SoundCloud on Google Play Store and on the App Store for iPhone users, once you've downloaded SoundCloud on your phone, you'll be able to find and explore new music to listen to. What I generally do is go down below and click on this icon that says Explore Trending Playlists. And that will lead me to this website, which you can see here, where you can categorize all of the music into different categories. For example, if I want to listen to music in this category, I'll simply click on this right here. And then here, I can simply click on this play button right here to begin listening to music. So right there is a playlist that has a few songs on the same playlist. Once you've grasped the concept of SoundCloud and how to locate music on it, I'd like to introduce you to another site, lyrics.com, where you can check out the lyrics to a particular song. Example, if I want to look up the lyrics of a song like Bruno Mars' It Will Rain, I can just Google the lyrics and click on the lyrics.com link to pay attention to the lyrics. As you can see here, that's the name of a song and that's the entire lyrics of the song. This is so easy and you can do this anytime over and over again. When you look at this, every audio minute is worth $1.25 if you merely listen to the music and transcribe the song into lyrics, as you can see here. The average length of normal music of song is around 3 minutes. Therefore, based on these earnings, 1 minute may earn $1.25 and 3 minutes of one music can make you $3.75 over and over again. So just keep on doing that and you can be well on your way to making the easiest money of your life. So the next thing I want you to do is go to rev.com, which is the next website on the list. Basically, you may discover a variety of work opportunities on this website to transcribe various types of music or videos. If you think that's powerful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Alright, so let's take the first category of tasks that you can perform, which is available globally and requires no money to get started. It's also extremely quick and simple, and you may earn $1.25 for each minute of audio that you transcribe into lyrics. For example, if you listen to one of these songs on SoundCloud and transcribe them because SoundCloud needs people to do that for them, they will need people like you and me to transcribe the music and turn it into words and lyrics. Now when you go to the homepage, scroll down to the very bottom of this website and pick freelancers under the About part, which will take you to this page as you can see below. Freelance jobs that pay well and allow you to work from home. You can basically make money online by encoding the lyrics of songs on their site. The best part about this website is that you can work on any schedule you want. You may work as long or as quick as you want, and you can select from hundreds of tasks on rev.com and you can be paid every week directly into your PayPal account. What is this work about and how you can join up and be approved to start transcribing music and audio files for money on this website? All you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of this website and click on this bottom right here to sign up. Now, to become a Rev transcriptionist in a moment, I'll walk you through different examples of how you can transcribe right here on this website using this free software and how you can maximize your earning potential and earn double money using this free software. But first, I'd like to show you another website where you can join up and work from a variety of transcription jobs. The second website is GoTranscriptcom, where they pay people a high rate. So if a normal piece of music lasts 3 minutes, you may earn $2.58 for listening to and transcribing it. And one piece of advice and experience I can share with you is to sign up on multiple platforms. You can go to GoTranscriptcom and sign up. On top of that, you can also sign up on Rev.com. It's very important for you to sign up on multiple platforms so you can find different job opportunities all over the world. So once again, when you deal with GoTranscript.com, you may take advantage of a few advantages. You may actually work from home, receive a variety of help when you have an issue, and you are paid weekly via PayPal. You may work around your own schedule and discover other projects that you enjoy and just do it in your free time while also having the opportunity to listen to different kinds of music and songs. So if you want to start generating money, imagine that, getting paid and listening to music. A lot of us just listen to music because we enjoy it. All you had to do is scroll down to the very end and click on work right here and click on this apply now button right here. And it'll lead you to this page where you can log into your GoTranscript.com account. All you have to do is enter your email address and password and click the sign up button. It's that simple. Now that you've signed up for both websites and are ready to make money online, you'll begin listening to various kinds of music and transcribing them into lyrics, which is where I want you to go to this website, which is GoTranscribe.com. What this does is help you transcribe your audio into text and make your life a bit easier than it already is from the moment you started this project. Now on this page, click on this blue button right here to start transcribing. Once you select different kinds of music that you want to listen to and start transcribing, they generally offer a download file or you can literally receive a link to the music. Take for example on Soundcloud. If you click on the music, you should be able to find a share button. Take a look at this. It's a share button. If you click on this button right here, it'll open up a new window where you can discover a link to this music. For instance, as you can see here, this is the entire link of the music. You can grab this link right here and download the music, or you can upload the music file right into the software by clicking on this button right here to upload the music file, and that software and this free tool will automatically help to transcribe the entire music into words. However, you may notice that there are some grammatical errors and spelling issues, so I advise that you check it first. This is a free application that I'm showing to you to assist you in making your task easier and simpler. Right now, I'll share with you another bonus tip that will help you multiply your earnings. If you go to Rev.com, you can see that a typical transcription job pays only $1.25 per minute. But if you look at foreign subtitles, you can earn anywhere from $3 to $7 per minute, which is a lot of money. So when you go to Soundcloud, for example, you can discover different kinds of music in different languages. For example, this one is in English, which a lot of people know. But this one is written in another foreign language, which a lot of people don't know. Therefore, if you have a language within your arsenal that you can write comfortably, I suggest you go for songs in that language. However, there is also another way even if you don't know more than one foreign language. You may go to another website, Dippo.com, which is another free software that you can utilize. Now that you've arrived at the website, you may use a translator to practically translate anything from any language you choose. Take for example a piece of music written in German that you can translate into English, or a piece of music written in English. You can translate into whatever language you choose. Alternatively, you can upload the whole audio file right into this program and have it to do the work for you. This is another free tool that can assist you in working on this area, which may earn you more money online. As you can see here, up to $7 every minute, and depending on what country you're from, you can get different jobs. Sometimes you'll get a lower paying job, and sometimes we'll get a higher paying job. There's also an opportunity where you can listen to different kinds of music and then simply transcribe them into written words, text, and music lyrics and get paid for it. So that's all for this video, folks. Before you leave, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you're updated on our latest money-making strategies. And don't forget to comment your questions, opinions, or if this video really helped you out. I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching!